DNA is a tremendous aid to criminal investigations. It's a tremendous aid to prosecutions. It is such incredibly good evidence that we in law enforcement are willing to wait months or even years for results to come back from the lab. We can't exonerate people. We can know right away that somebody that we may be looking at for an offense didn't do it. This is an incredible technology. It absolutely works. I've seen it, I've tested it myself. I was very skeptical when I first heard about it. It absolutely works. Using this technology, we will be able to quickly identify bad guys early in their careers, take them off the street, and reduce the incidence of crime.
The reason it was brought to public safety is the Hudson case. Only reason. That's why. That's why this bill is here. And that bill, that created, it got my attention. Why did it get my attention? Sexual assault, abuse, rape, a baby was born. Unacceptable, not right. This body needs to do something about it.
We're interested in using it for an investigative purpose to find the culprit and arrest him. Wouldn't it be a great thing while the victim is still in the emergency room, we're able to tell her not only we have identified the suspect, but we've got the suspect in custody.